Welcome to your regular site diary tips and tricks. My name is Otis Boris, and today I will be walking you through a few of the tips and tricks that will help you maximize your experience with the mobile site diary. So this is where you go to access control and you select the users that are available. Okay, and these users would only appear in this list if they have actually been already created or been synchronized with your Active Directory or internal repository. All right, now if you don't, if your list is blank, that means you have not created any new users on your organization, and the place you would go to do that would be here on the top where the little man is waiting. But this is where you would go to add new users, and then once you've added a user to your organization, the same as you would do with contractors, you have to come back to your site and activate them on that site, because I'm sure they probably won't be on several sites at once, so you have to make them active on the site that you want them to have visibility for. Okay, and if you don't want them to see all the sites, you only give them access to the ones you want them to see. All right, once you have created all your resources, you've remembered to click save, you have activated all your resources and label types, plan types, and details, your application should now be ready to use in the field. Okay, and in order to test that, let's pull up our device. Let's see here. You can very quickly verify all the changes that you've made. You can log into your application. I've logged into my account using my credentials, similar to the ones that I've used on the back office, and I can check my application to see if my site is now ready. Okay, and the name of my site that I created was Stockholm Demo. There he is at the bottom. I'll tap on that, and of course it's empty. The site is now available to receive events, and which is why you don't see any events available at the moment. So very quickly, what I can do in this section, I can enter an event. Let's go ahead and enter an event for my site. Okay, I see today is February the 3rd. I can then, the time is already selected from now. I can make the duration 1 hour for this event that I will enter, and then I will go ahead and select my contractor. I have added Appear Networks, as you saw previously on my web service, so that's available. And if I wanted a different contractor, I can quickly do that on my web service and then push it out to my users in the field. Okay, my title, which I call Stockholm Demo. All right, and my location. You see the two locations have already been made available to me. I'm in Block C at the moment, so I will then move on, and I will consider this general works and planned works, so I can just tag those as one of the options that was given to me. And then I move on to the resources that are being used. I've got a foreman and one supervisor on this particular event. Then I can move to my my truck, and I can select on my plants. I can select truck, and of course, if I want to write a description, we will write demo of site setup and event creation. Here we go. All right. Do I want any pictures? I can take a quick picture. I tap on new. Yes, I need to let the application access my camera. That's why I'll be able to add this directly. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Okay, and now I can use this photo. Yes, I would like to use that one, and I've added that to the event. Okay, so now I have just set up my site. I have activated my resources. I've configured my locations, and I have made everything available to my users in the field. All right, and now I can continue my creation. Now I will just go ahead and save my event using the arrow on the top right hand corner. I tap save. Event tells me my event will now be saved, so I will confirm that. Great, my event is complete. You can see it in my mobile app. What we'll do, I'll just go ahead and minimize that, and let's go back to our home page and re-enter our site and see if we have any events. Oh, look at that, we have an event already entered. All right, so let's see what this new contractor Appear Networks has been up to. And we can see all the detail. They've spent an hour in Block C doing some general work. So they've had a foreman on site, a supervisor, they've used one truck, and they are conducting a demo of the site setup and event creation. And the person that has entered this event is Otis Boris. Okay, that's me. Captured the weather, which we I think I put in credential GPS coordinates for London, actually, and that's the weather that you're seeing there at the moment. And I can approve this event, which will lock my event from further editing. So I won't do that yet because maybe I want to edit something later on. All right. So that's it for today. I've set up my site and I've pushed all my updates out to my users, and they were able to enter their events. I think that took us probably about 15-20 minutes. I think that was good. All right. If you have any questions for more tips and tricks that you need, please let us know. Send your emails to support@mobilesitediary.com, and we can then create some quick tips and tricks for you, or we can respond directly to your mail for any assistance. All right, we'll have a few more videos coming soon, and we hope that you enjoy the application. All right, thank you for your time.